If your energy levels look like a flat line, you're in luck. This powerful homemade drink will elevate your vitality and libido. Here's a quick and easy recipe for a natural aphrodisiac that's also great for prostate health. First up, we've got beetroot. Cut it into small pieces. Beetroot is packed with nitrates that improve blood flow, essential for sexual health. It also helps lower blood pressure and boosts stamina. Next, toss in a tablespoon of walnuts. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support hormone production. Walnuts also improve brain function and reduce inflammation. Then, add a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. These little guys are full of zinc, crucial for testosterone levels. Pumpkin seeds also promote prostate health and improve sleep quality. Don't forget 20 grams of ginger. Ginger increases circulation and has anti-inflammatory properties. It also aids digestion and reduces muscle pain. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. It's loaded with vitamin C, boosting your immune system and overall energy. Lemon juice also aids in detoxification and improves skin health. Pour in 200 milliliters of water and grind it all together. Finally, stir in a teaspoon of honey for natural sweetness and extra antioxidants. Honey also has antibacterial properties and can soothe a sore throat. Drink 1 glass in the morning and 1 in the evening. You'll start feeling the benefits in no time. Stay healthy, stay vibrant. Cheers! If you enjoyed this video, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips.